My dear brothers and sisters, the scripture readings of today present to us two beautiful truths. The first, God brings light into the dark areas of our life. And this is well presented to us in the first reading, where Prophet Isaiah tells us, the people of darkness have seen a great light. And this is the very reading we also have at the midnight mass for Christmas at midnight. And we are reminded that people of darkness have seen a great light. And who is this great light? Jesus Christ. Israelites lived their life, but there were many a times going through a lot of struggles and difficulties and going through exile, but yet personally also they had gone away from the Lord. And so now the person of light, that is Jesus Christ, comes into their pathway, and the Lord invites them then to come to Him. And so they experience that light. The second truth is, Mary becomes the humble servant who brings this light to the world. And this is what we hear in the gospel of today, where Mary says, "Let it be done to me according to your word." And so what it means to each one of us. First of all, we are to allow the light of Christ to penetrate into the dark areas of our life. And what are the dark areas of our life? Definitely, many a times we are filled with a lot of negativity, resentment, hate feelings, unable to forgive. Sometimes we hold on to grudges, which maybe the person is even dead and gone, and we still hold on to that. We need those dark areas of our life to be healed by the Lord. So let this light come into ourselves first. And once we are illumined, we can then go out and take this light to others. Second, as Mary said yes to the Lord, and she remained faithful till the end, saying yes even when we don't have all the answers. I'm sure many a times we have a number of questions and we don't have answers. Here Mary also, she just accepted what was presented to her. She had a certain clarity because the angel tells her there is nothing that is impossible with God. And so with that bit of a clarity, she was willing to give herself wholeheartedly to the Lord. So we are also called today by these very scriptures to give ourselves to the Lord, surrender ourselves entirely in the hands of the Lord. Although we may not have all the answers, God has the answers, and He in His fullness of time will provide them to us. Amen.